Hi friends, today we are doing Uhhibu العربية book 2 lesson number 18 اليوم الرياضي. Hi friends, today we are doing lesson number 18 Uhhibu العربية book 2 and the name of the lesson is اليوم الرياضي, which means the sports day. So the first one is هذا ملعب المدرسة, which means this is the school's playground. التلاميذ حول الملعب, which means the students are around the playground. الكرة في وسط الملعب, which means the ball is in the middle of the playground. متى تبدأ اللعبة, which means when will the game begin. تبدأ في الساعة الرابعة, which means it will begin at 4 o'clock. بدأت اللعبة الآن, which means the game has begun now. الكرة تذهب هنا وهناك, which means the ball is going here and there. اجري الأولاد خلف الكرة, which means the boys are running behind the ball. متى تنتهي اللعبة, which means when will the game finish. تنتهي في الساعة الخامسة, so it will finish at 5 o'clock. انتهت اللعبة الآن, so which means the game finished now. So now the next exercise is the new words. So the first one here is كرة القدم, which means football. كرة السلة, which means basketball. كرة اليد, which means handball. سباحة, which means swimming. كأس, which means trophy. متر means 1 meter. برنامج, which means the program or the schedule. مباراة في الملاكمة, which means the boxing match. الرياضي, which means the sports day. حفلة, which means it's party. يشترك في السباق 5 أولاد, which means 5 students are taking part in the race. So the next one is a picture comprehension. Basically, you have been given a picture and we have to read through it and understand it. So let's get started. غدا اليوم الرياضية. So the boy is saying tomorrow is the sports day. هذا برنامج الحفلة, which means this is the schedule of the program or of the sports program. ما برنامج الصباح. So what is the program for the morning? مباريات في كرة القدم وكرة السلة وكرة اليد. So matches in the football, the basketball and the handball. أنا سأشترك في مباراة سباحة. So the boy is saying I'm going to take part in the swimming competition. السباحة والسباق والشد الحبل في المساء. So he's saying that the swimming competition and the tug of war is in the evening. هل ستشترك في سباق 1000 متر? So he's asking, are you going to take part in the 100 meter competition? 1000 meter competition. نعم وسنأخذ الكاس إن شاء الله. So he's saying yes, and I will take the trophy if God wills. نحن سنأخذ كأس السباحة. So we are going to take the trophy of the swimming race. غدا نعرف نتيجة, which means tomorrow we will know the result. Now in this exercise we're going to learn about the future tense, and for the future tense we have to add the alphabet S before the verb, the present tense. So in this case, هل ستشترك في مباراة السباحة, which means are you going to take part in the swimming competition. نعم سأشترك وسنأخذ الكاس إن شاء الله. Yes, I'm going to take part and we are going to take the cup if God wills. Here, هل ستشترك في مباراة كرة القدم. So are you going to participate in the football match. نعم سأشترك وسنأخذ الكاس إن شاء الله. So yes, I'm going to take part and I'm going to take the cup, God wills. We We have to write the same thing. Only thing depending on the picture, we have to change the word. So over here, هل ستشترك في مباراة كرة السلة. So again, the answer will be نعم سأشترك وسنأخذ الكأس إن شاء الله. So the fourth one, هل ستشترك مباراة كرة اليد. So are you going to take part in the handball? So again, the answer will be the same thing. نعم سأشترك وسنأخذ الكأس إن شاء الله. هل ستشترك السباق شد الحبل. So are you going to take part in the tug of war? And the same answer again here. And the last one, هل ستشترك مباراة الجري. Are you going to take part in the running race? And again, you have to write the same answer. Now let's read the passages. اليوم سباق السيارات. So today is the car race. يبدأ السباق في هذه المدينة, which means the car race is in the city. وينتهي في قرية على شاطئ البحر. So and it finishes at the village near the beach. تشترك في السباق سيارة كثيرة. So taking part in the competitions are many cars. هذه سيارة حمراء. This is the red car. وتلك سيارة صفراء. And that is the yellow car. السيارة جديدة. The new cars. تستعد السيارات الآن السباق. So the cars are getting ready now for the race. بدأوا السباق. السيارة تجري بسرعة. So the race is started and the cars are going fast. السيارة الحمراء هي أول. So the red car is first. السيارة الخضراء في الثاني. So the green car is second. السيارة الزرقاء في الثالث. So the blue car is in the third place. السيارة الزرقاء هي أولى. So the blue car is in the first. السيارة الصفراء هي الثاني. So the yellow car is still in the second place. السيارة السوداء هي الثالث. So they're saying that the black car is in the third place, but we don't see any black car, we see the green car. انتهي السباق الآن. So the race has finished now. السيارة الخضراء هي الأول. So finally the green car won the first place. ينزل الرجل من السيارات الخضراء. So the man got down from the green car ليأخذ كأس السباق, to get the trophy of the cup of the race. هو سعيد جدا. He is very happy. So the next exercise is matching, and we have to write it in this. So this is the first picture, and you can see the boy is playing the basketball. So boy is al-waladu. So we have to match it to al-waladu yajri fil malab. So the boy is running in the playground. So second one is, we can see the girl helping a blind man. So al-bintu is a girl. تساعد الرجل الأعمى. So which means she's helping the blind man. So this will be matched here. The next one is the lion, and asad is lion in Arabic. Al-asadu yanamu fil ghaba. So the lion is sleeping in the forest. So we have to match it. Al-tayratu tatiru fawqa al-matar. So which means that the plane is flying above the airport. So this one is. Next exercise is fill in the blanks. Seeing the words, the pictures given here. So the first one is albisu al-malabisu al-riyadiya wa arkabu ad-daraja, which means I am wearing the sports dress and I'm riding the bicycle. أذهب الملعب أصل إلى هناك في الساعة الرابعة. So I left to the playground and I reached over there at 4 o'clock. ألعب كرة القدم في الساعة السادسة. So I played the football at 6 o'clock. أركب دراجتي بالساعة وأرجع إلى البيت. So I rode my bicycle happily and I returned to my home. So So the next exercise is we've been given the pictures and we have to write the right sport. Okay, so this one is Shaddul Habal, tug of war. This is a sibaq, it's just a race, so this is sibaq. This is Kuratul Yad, Kuratul Qadam. This is Sibaha, which means swimming. Kuratul Salla, which means basketball. That's all for today's lesson. I hope it was clear. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and thanks for watching.